Hi, my name is Tiger Ninomiya with SENKO Advanced Components. I'm with the Jim Hasagawa, General Manager of SENKO Advanced Components, US. And today we'd like to introduce a new connector, SN connector that we designed. And this can give COBO very much benefit. As this box is showing onboard optics connectivities, showing SN, MPO, and LC connectors. All three types have the same fiber capacity, 64 fibers. And as you can see, MPO and SN can have the same or similar spacing. However, SN is giving a breakout easiness as it's broken out at the adapter front panel, where you need a breakout cable with MPO. So we believe SN connector can give the huge benefit to COBO applications, and we can further follow up on the connectivity types at SENKO Advanced Components.
Yes, the SN connector is a future for the COBO. With the future is photonics integrations. With the COBO standard, with the SN connectors, it will help accelerate the photonic integration in the future. By 2020, 400G will be coming. With the 400G, this kind of breaker application connector such as SN will become standard. So we hope to contribute to 400G standard market.